Hello, welcome to Season the Water. In today's episode, we have spiced corn and avocado toast. This recipe is delicious, quick, and easy, so let's begin with the ingredients. For the list of ingredients, we have tomato avocado, fresh corn, or you can use a can, bell peppers, a serrano pepper, optional, onion. For the spices, I'm using smoky paprika chipotle. I like the flavor of the chipotle pepper. I'm using it just for flavor, but it's optional. Or you can use any paprika that you have. We also have oregano, cumin, onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. For the cheese, you can use any Mexican cheese, Oaxaca cheese, cotija cheese, or queso fresco. I'm using a mix of Colby, Monterey Jack cheese, or you can even use pecorino romano or Parmesan cheese. And then your favorite bread, and this is what I'm using. This recipe is super easy to put together and full of flavor. I really hope you give it a try and take your toast to the next level. Thank you for watching.